15 students. Just wanted to be as clear as I can about my expectations for Monday. So as you work on your first draft, here's the pieces I need you to do. I'll highlight them. The first, Common Core standards. Again, these are so similar to our Wisconsin standards. So let's say you head out to the Common Core standards. I'm going to check fourth grade and I'm going to play in fractions. Notice, I want to play in these first three domains that are listed. I'm not doing measurement and data or geometry. That's Math 116. So let's say I get out here, I'm looking at these standards about fractions, comparing fractions. And here's addition and subtraction of fractions, parts referring to the same whole. I want to work on that. Okay, so I want to work on this standard. I'm literally just going to copy it, head on back, and go ahead and paste that in. Okay, don't worry about fancy formats and fonts and all that right now. For now, just get that standard in there. Okay, if you're curious what a substandard is, this is actually the main standard here for NFB3, and what I chose was for NFB3A. Okay, but don't worry about it. And looking at this, I also know I want to work with word problems in addition and subtraction of fractions. So those are going to be the two fraction standards I use. That's the first thing you need to work on. Don't worry about the rest of this, but then you're going to get down here into the introduction. But specifically, all you need to do is this part, the contexts. Okay, and each of you in your team is going to do one context or setting and just draft it up, whatever you think about. I'm over here. Note I'm using outline view. Again, you can do view and then show outline, and it'll quickly jump you to where you want to be, whichever activity you are. So here I am, I'm activity 1. My context or setting, I think I'm going to do Madagascar lemurs, right? So mine specifically, my title, I'm just going to go with the lemurs of Madagascar, okay? I'm not going to worry about how much time it takes. I don't know. I don't need to know right now. So then my context or setting, okay? Students will be exploring the lemurs of Madagascar, learning interesting facts about their life and habitat. Okay, that's what I want students to do. So then I'm down here in tasks. Okay, and now I'm actually just going to be writing my lemur task. Well, I found some interesting information about lemurs. Okay, I had it up here. All right, here we go. This was the part I wanted to. I was surprised that from lemurs, okay, they're divided into 8 families, 15 genera, and around 100 existing species, right? That's crazy. And if you go down here to lemurs of Madagascar, a little bit more information is given, okay? Oh, look at these cute little lemurs, right? But here it says it's home to over 110 species of lemurs across 5 families. So I want to use that interesting information, okay? 110 species across 5 families. Right now, I'm just going to kind of put that information there. And you know what? I'm just going to go ahead while I'm at it and put the link so I don't forget where I found it. So now I'm creating a task, okay? So in a jungle in Madagascar, there are over 100, we'll still keep with over 110 species of lemurs across 5 different families. In one specific area, a scientist counted 3 different, no, I'm not going to do 3. We're going to do 2 because we're going to be adding 2 things. A scientist counted 2 different species of lemurs. The scientist found that 2/5 of the lemurs were from the blank, blank, blank family. I'm going to go do some more information, find out a family, okay? The scientist then realized the remaining 21 lemurs were from the blank, blank, blank family. How many total lemurs did the scientist count? Okay, that's it. That's my first task. Okay, lemurs from the blank and blank family. And I'm going to do more research, okay? But here's my first task on lemurs using fraction addition and or subtraction, and students will be creating a tape diagram. This is all you need for Monday, but that was just my first task. You need a task 2 and a task 3, okay? If you can, task 4 and task 5 would be awesome, but your goal would be to create 3 tasks by Monday under one context. Again, my context is lemurs. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please email me over the weekend. I will see you soon.